Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Writing unit tests we all know is very important. But let's be honest, it's not always fun. What if you could let AI write your unit test cases automatically? In today's video, we will compare three AI tools: GitHub Copilot, Google Gemini, and DeepSeek to see how well they generate unit test cases, including JUnit, PyTest, and Jest from your code. By the end, you will know which one saves you the most time and gives you the cleanest and the most accurate results. Let's go. Testing ensures that our code works correctly, but writing them manually is repetitive. AI tools can now read your functions or class, understand logic and edge cases, and generate meaningful unit tests automatically. We'll use this simple function as our test case. It calculates discount on your shopping cart. This is my first example, which is on Java. Here I have created a public class discount. The second example will be from Python. Here I have my Python code to do the same stuff. Third example will be from JavaScript. Here again I have used the same example but now with JavaScript. Let's start with GitHub Copilot, one of the most popular AI tools for code generation. In VS Code, simply type a comment describing your test and Copilot will suggest the test code automatically. Here, I have used the example prompt saying write JUnit test case for discount service class. Copilot does a great job here. It understood the validation logic and created both positive as well as negative tests automatically. Next up, Google Gemini. Gemini is excellent for structured code app explanations and can handle multiple languages prompts in one go. Let's have a look at the prompt example over here. I've used the same app.py and I've asked it to generate Python PyTest unit test for this function, include both valid and invalid cases. This is the result which I have got. As you can see, Gemini nails it. The code is readable, minimal, and follows PyTest conventions perfectly. It also generated multiple test cases, showing awareness of edge conditions. Finally, let's try DeepSeek, an emerging AI model known for understanding developer context deeply. We'll prompt it directly in VS Code using ClientBot. Here in ClientBot, I have used OpenRouter key and have chosen DeepSeek R1. And here I have given write Jest test case for this calculate discount function in JavaScript. Have a look at the results. DeepSeek output is very accurate. It even reused our module name and followed Jest syntax conventions automatically. It's clear this model was trained with real developer patterns. Let's compare the results quickly. Copilot we used for Java use case and it was great with existing context. Gemini, which we use for Python, was clear, minimal, and context aware. While DeepSeek, which we use for JavaScript use case, was precise syntax and strong structure. All three tools handled unit testing really well, but Gemini wins in code clarity and adaptability, especially for functional testing. Here are few pro tips when using AI for testing. Always review generated tests. AI can miss edge cases. Add your own assertions to verify performance or data integrity. Use prompts like generate parameterized tests or add negative test for error conditions. Remember, the better you prompt, the stronger your tests. So that's how you can use AI tools to write unit tests automatically across Java, Python, and JavaScript. Whether you're using Copilot, Gemini, or DeepSeek, AI can save hours of boilerplate work and help you focus on building features and not just testing them. If you enjoyed this comparison, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tool generated the best test cases for you.